Here at Gainsborough Healthcare Group, we take pride in delivering total healthcare solutions. And we do that through our assisted bathing equipment that we sell to the most vulnerable individuals in society. Requirements from professional care settings, from private homes, from mobility inhibited elderly people who struggle to stay independent at home. All our products have the BioCote antimicrobial technology built into it. Something that can't wear off, it can't wash off, it's forever there. It's integral, built into our glass fiber. And with the antimicrobial technology, we are able to give utmost peace of mind, not only for the bather, but also for the people looking after the bather.
We start off with the laminating process. Everything is made in-house. We have a guy that cuts up the raw materials. All the laminating is done in the production area. Once it's been produced, it goes into a trimming section. The trim's done to a certain size. We've got a certain spec for each kind of bath that we do. It goes into an assembly area, then into the finishing where it gives us the complete finish for the bath to a high gloss finish. Then into various baths, then go through to water test, and then out the door. Other baths then go into the power bath build where we add seats to it and platforms and that sort of business.
The quality control is the most important thing here because it's the last step before the baths and the stuff go out of the factory. So it's the last chance to check everything. So we have a rigorous check of all the components, nuts, bolts, the surface area of the baths, the mechanics of the baths, every way the bath works.
Okay, so for us at Gainsborough, we like to focus on the customer and what's really important to us to make sure that we get a great product at the end. So it's all about the customer, safety, functionality, and also innovating, but fundamentally making sure that product is fit for purpose and the right thing for the customer. And BioCote, for me, it's kind of like secret protection against microbes and viruses that gives us that like step up compared to other people in the industry. And we also can pass that on to customers. When we pass that on to customers, they know that they're protected against cross-contamination. They know that they've got extra hygiene, that odour's reduced, and all those great benefits of having all those microbes taken away in that short period of time.